Okay, so this is the camper. We are going to get our windows and doors. Well, the door. There's two, but we're going to take both of them because one's a little bit narrower and we ain't too sure which one we want yet, so we're just going to take both. So this guy offered us, well, we know this guy from, you don't need to know all the details. He offered us this whole camper, and I don't know if you can tell or not, but it's kind of big, and it's kind of not good in many places. Also, it's like snake territory right here, but yeah, I don't see this being able to be towed, especially with that little truck. I don't think we're going to take it, obviously, but we are just going to rob some parts off of it, though. Also, the roof is kind of falling in on itself. So we got a couple of windows picked out we want to take. We're going to take both doors, like I said. These doors aren't good, like at all. That one, I don't know if the door is delaminated, but that one feels like it is. This one down here is just squishy overall, but we're going to take both because we can rebuild these, I guess. And for a teardrop, we really need to move the handles up anyway, so we can just scan it and then use the window and the frame and stuff. We're going to take this door back here because, I don't know, that's a big door, you might as well take it. He pretty much said, oh, there's going to be daylight coming through there when I show you inside. There's the side. He pretty much just said take anything that we want off of it except for the refrigerator. It's got like a new refrigerator. You may think I'm crazy, but I'm going to take these two mattresses because I need a new mattress at home. Not really. I do like go-karts and stuff, and these are great foam for like seats and stuff. So that's free foam for me. That's plenty. So I'm going to take that. Also, look at that cute little monkey shower curtain. That's just awesome. We're going to take this rear window there. Watch yourself. There, and I think that one up there. And we're going to take these, I think there's 3 of these little small windows. Those I don't have a plan for on the camper yet. I just think that's a neat little size. And those are all crank out too. This isn't going to be the most modern. Oh, there is a big bug on my camera. I don't even know what that would be. But I think what we're going to start out with, I don't know if we're going to take the... Actually, these screens are in better shape than I thought they were. So we'll probably take those. We're going to start with taking the doors first because that's going to make some nice cross ventilation because this camper seals up so perfect, but also there's probably a creature living in there. That would make a nice exit when I'm in there crawling around. It's also about like 90 degrees and I wore long pants for that reason because there's probably something living in this. So this one right here isn't free, but he priced it to me and I am considering it. Not because it's a good camper, but it's cheap. It's got a generator in it and it's got a big block in it. So I ain't even really looked at it. That's a good looking microwave up there, you know it? Yeah. I ain't even looked in here. I just looked at the motor. It's a 454. And it's got a killer radio in it. It's a Pioneer. And the seats are in halfway decent shape, actually. That one's not.
It's not?
That one's not.
Oh, you have got to open that top pull-out drawer. That's a cute little drawer.
This?
Yeah.
What's in it?
Open that. Lift up on it and pull it out. That's a little mouse house. But it's got a cute little drawer.
I guess. I don't remember this roof being this bad. But that is a nice microwave, actually.
How new this thing is.
It's actually a good looking shower back there. I see some daylight coming through the roof, believe it or not.
Well, that's to let it air out.
But my plan is, I think I can sell the generator, the rear end, and then probably spend about $3,000 getting rid of the rest. And I get a free big block out of it. I don't know. It's cheap enough. And it's got like 50,000 miles on it, don't it? 54,000. And that's a good looking ladder. You may tear the whole back of the camper off trying to climb on it.
That would be a perfect window to go in front of that teardrop.
Yeah, these windows are a lot more modern looking. I thought about it, but again, I feel like that back is just gonna peel off once you get put the weight on it.
Look at it. It's sturdy.
I don't. Ooh, yeah, that wood ain't attached.
This is not bad.
It's got to be pretty bad.
No, it's not bad. Not bad.
I was
I like
expecting.
that little roof rack it's got on it.
Yeah.
It's not bad.
Might be harder to
Get out.
get off than you think.
Oh, this is a 84 too.
No, it's 82.
82 too. But I mean, it's got a dually rear end on it. I feel like I can sell the wheels and tires, maybe not tires, more the wheels, because you know the tires are roached on it, for like half of what I can get it for. I don't know. And I want that grill to hang on my wall too in the garage. That's a nice looking grill. Other than the spots that is bad, it's really not that bad. I don't think there's that. Oh, taking the rug with you. Hold on. You closed the rug in the door. That was a good rug. I don't know, but I was halfway expecting the roof to collapse when you took the door out. Ain't nothing in there. What about this?
That's a big too.
I am going to take these handles off because they're pretty.
That's for a back.
That's actually a good looking little window. Well, unfortunately, it has dawned on me that there is a window in the shower, and it is one that we want. But look at that little monkey shower curtain. Now, that is just fantastic. There is a bug, and I glanced in here last time I was in here, and it was scary. No, actually, it's not that bad. There is a huge bug. Yeah, what is that supposed to be?
I ain't sure what that is.
Whoa! Big find, big update. That's coming with us. Huh. Monkey toothbrush holder. It's kind of sticky. You stay right here. Alright, that screw fell in the shower. That's gone. No, we don't. So I've got an idea in mind of what I want this teardrop to look like, and it involves a window in the front of somehow. The only issue is they put these big old protector things to keep rocks and stuff from bouncing up, and then you get to your campsite and then you ain't got no window in the front. And I think this is obviously too wide, but it looks fairly simple to take apart, you know, take a slice out of it and narrow it. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab this, because more than likely one of the windows we just took out, which is this one, that one right there, is going to be in the front. So I think we needed some sort of cover on it. I ain't even looked at the bedroom. Yep. There's daylight. We've broke a couple, so I'm going to take as many of these finger cranks as possible out of these windows. This I don't think opens, that slides open. I am going to take this, I don't know why. I just think that's pretty. Oh, show them the pantry it has.
You show them.
That's kind of neat.
Mm-hmm.
That's a good use of that space.
That on, I believe.
You think?
I think.
It may have been. Yeah, I believe it was. The wood kind of don't match. Okay, so we're fixing to wrap up. These in there, getting some lights down. These are just kind of the neatest looking little lights. The lens on them looks really nice. So we're getting most of these. There's one set that is underneath this roof right here that's pretty much turned into an aquarium, so we're not getting that one. So we've got a mirror because, you know, it's a mirror. I got that off the front. This wood right here we got because I don't even know where we got it from, but it matches this, and if I want to make a cabinet, you know, the wood will match. I just think that's pretty. We got the cushions because these are actually in really good shape, and they got a cool design on them. They're kind of like a map, kind of. Pretty neat. Here's a smaller door. Again, both of these will need to be stripped and rebuilt, so they're pretty much just worth the frame and the window, but we don't have that, so that's cool. Here's the insides of the windows. One compartment door. That's another cushion, I think. Yeah. That's another door, and I grabbed this. I've got an idea. This is kind of cool to me. I think it'd be neat to use these, put this in the teardrop, use these as a like the light switches and stuff. Maybe get this one working, or put a more up-to-date like battery voltage tester thing in there. I think that'd just be kind of cool because majority of the parts of this thing is coming from the camper, so I just think that'd be pretty cool in there.